This is a XY table that I appropriated off of an old optical comparator, and I have stripped it down to the basic XY A-axis table and pretty much discarded the rest of it. It was of no use to me for my purposes. I tried to decide over the years what I wanted to use this piece of equipment for, and I think I've got a pretty good idea. There's something called a ruling machine that was used in wood engraving way back in the turn of the century in the early 1900s and even earlier. These machines are pretty rare and difficult to locate and super expensive when you can find them. So I've decided just to make my own, just to give you a small example of what the machine actually does. There will be a structure over the top of it that will hold and have a cutting tool, engraving bit that will drag through the wood, and it will be adjusted by an axis that runs across the top here and over, and that will be movable. But the really interesting part actually happens here with the XY table. It is spring-loaded, so it moves back and forth in very precision linear ball bearing raceways, and it also moves back and forth. The other interesting thing is it actually has an A-axis. As you can see, it's very, very precise and can be moved for the type of cutting that I will be doing. So it's a pretty interesting table. I'll document the build as I complete this. It shouldn't take too much longer. Depending on time, probably within the next month or two, I should have the entire machine built. Anyway, one of the things I like to do is repurpose old equipment, especially high precision equipment, and this certainly qualifies.